MT40 coming to you yet again at Ladysmith with another video lined up. Today's 519-81 of the 22nd has just arrived at West Ladysmith and is now coming on to the off the Barron Sub main and is going to head on to the Superior Sub main. Check them out on the rolls, lean back and get them unless this is a sand load. That's actually 519. How about that? So who's doing the honors for the return? $29.65 with the Every Child Matters logo. How about that? She's back! Oh man! I was not expecting her for the second time, but alright! Oh my! Oh my! I did not expect the 2965 to show up on the S772, and now here it is on the returning 519. As it will take it into Ladysmith Yard and tie it down from here. Wow! I am completely stunned. Oh my, what a moment. Did not expect the 2965 sporting the Every Child Matters logo to return yet again. Nice. Momentarily it'll restart again and we'll roll into Ladysmith Yard from the south side. Restart confirmed. 2965. It's just getting it going again. Hear her throttling up from inside at mile 353.37 after waiting on the Rattler and 347 led by the new 3343 to make the roll by. Are creaking and groaning. Just had a lot of sand loads in tow here. A couple of pole loads from Belpola Barron to bring up the last of it. It must have had a lot of work on the lineup. Why not? Oh my. impressive indeed, if I must say so myself. Last of 519 is Arkansas and Oklahoma, 607,093. Bolts in tow to bring out the last of it. End of tree devices going. And we'll do it for the 2965 and today's 519.81. Tyler Hayes out.